Soil is the foundation of every strong organic garden. Living soil should feel loose, crumbly, and alive, not hard, dry, or lifeless. Good soil forces plants to struggle. Living soil helps roots breathe, drink, and feed. Before adding anything, test your soil so you know what your garden actually needs. Soil pH controls how easily your plants can access nutrients. The big three nutrients are nitrogen for leaves, phosphorus for roots, and potassium for strength. Compost feeds the soil with organic matter and helps create a home for soil life. Over time, broken down plant material becomes food for microbes, worms, and future crops.
Worm castings are one of the best natural soil boosters for organic gardens. Worms loosen soil, improve drainage, and help turn organic matter into plant-available food.
Microbes are the invisible workers that help release nutrients and protect the root zone.
Mulch protects living soil by holding moisture, cooling roots, and blocking weeds.
Living soil holds water better, but it still needs steady moisture and care.
Soil life, nutrients, water, and roots work together. Your garden becomes a living system. Build the soil first.